हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आपको अगर लग रहा है कि ये एक हार्ली डेविडसन है, देन यू आर रॉन्ग। दिस इज नॉट अ हार्ली डेविडसन, दिस इज अ बजाज एवेंजर 220 जिसको कंप्लीटली मॉडिफाई किया गया है। और मैं तो देख के एकदम से चौंक गया था कि ऐसा भी बजाज एवेंजर इंडिया में देखने को मिलेगा। तो चलिए ओनर को वेलकम करते हैं। सर, वेलकम टू माय चैनल।
थैंक यू।
तो आपका नाम बताइए।
श्रीनिवास गोपी।
सो टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर बाइक। आपने क्या किया है इस बाइक पे?
सब मतलब बहुत ने किया है एंड दिस इज द ओनली बाइक इन बैंगलोर एंड आई कैन से इट इन कर्नाटका with mono suspension.
Mono suspension.
Yes.
So how much have you spent on the bike till now?
Till now I have spent like 3.2 on an average of
3.2. So the more than the value of the bike you have spent.
double the value of the bike. Yeah.
तो दोस्तों, जैसे कि मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि शौक की कोई कीमत नहीं होती। मतलब जितने भी आप शौक पे पैसे लगा दो, ये कम ही है। तो और कुछ मतलब आपने इंजन मॉडिफिकेशन भी किया है इसमें?
नहीं, एक्चुअली इंजन में मॉडिफाई नहीं किया है बिकॉज एज पर द स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका आई हैव मॉडिफाइड इन माय कार्बोरेटर्स एंड आई हैव ट्यून्ड माय इंजन, दैट्स इट। यस।
सो डू यू राइड फॉर एनी क्लब्स? बिकॉज मेरे को कुछ स्टिकर भी देखने को मिला था यहाँ पे।
हाँ, आई राइड फॉर BAC, बैंगलोर बजाज एवेंजर क्लब।
तो उस क्लब में क्या होता है, आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को थोड़ा कुछ बताएंगे?
We go on a rides and we follow the safety measures and we go for a breakfast ride, or yes, we do monsoon rides also. So we have a lot of bikers. In Bangalore we have almost like 500 plus members in the group. In all over Karnataka, India we have almost like 5,000 plus members.
5,000 प्लस। सो दोस्तों, चलिए अभी श्रीनिवास भाई से कंप्लीट कार बाइक की डिटेलिंग लेते हैं अभी। तो श्रीनिवास भाई, हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए आपने क्या क्या मॉडिफिकेशन करवाया है इस बाइक पे?
हाँ, ठीक है। पहले विल गो विथ सस्पेंशन।
ओके।
दिस इज अ telescopic suspension. It comes, you can see commonly in the Duke bikes.
ओके।
And the mudguard is completely 100% metal, handmade.
metal?
Yeah, handmade. Complete handmade metal, which is not used machinery.
ओके।
It's built with handmade. And tire, I have put it a Ralco tire.
ओके। व्हाट इज द साइज?
The size is you can see here 110 by 90.
ओके।
So this is a front tire with buttons. You can go for normal roads also, and you can do off-roading.
Okay,
the quality of the tire is good, and you can use it for city rides as well as for the terrains.
Okay.
So and coming for the headlights, I've used Daymaker headlights of 80 watts for single headlight. I mean bulb.
Wow.
So we have this is a high beam and this is a low beam. For the supporting, we have the two angel lights.
Okay, very nice. How much have you spent on this?
Daymaker light is 4,500 bucks, I think.
Okay.
So. Yeah. Now we will get the better option also, but I need to upgrade the headlight system.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for that.
Okay.
And you have the fog lamp of 80 watts of 2 fog lamps, which I have placed here. In cities, I'll be using these 2 fog lamps for
Okay.
the vision purpose, and for the it should not upset for the opposite fellows also.
Correct.
So this is basically a common lights which we need.
This is the is it
This
the
is the
signal?
indicators.
Okay.
So normal indicators, and it is not visible. So what I have done is I have put it for the handbars.
Okay.
So it will be better visibility for that.
So this is also fog lights, is it?
No, this is actually I'll be using only in the highways, and if I this has been used for Ladakh.
Okay.
So
Oh, you have done
this
Ladakh?
is- Yeah, I have done Ladakh. Why? Because this act as a wide angle
Oh, okay. Got it.
lights.
Wide angle.
So in terrains and all, you have to be careful in the night drive especially. For that, I have used this.
Okay.
And we have the mobile charger cum holder.
Okay.
So it is, you can find it in anywhere of shops.
This is also you have changed, right?
Yeah, I have changed this. You can get it in online also.
Okay.
So it's basically it's a normal.
Is this what
No,
exactly?
actually this is actually a type of air intake for my engine to get cool,
Okay.
as well as for concern as the design also, design part.
Okay. This looks very nice actually.
It is a purpose of design as well as the aesthetic look.
Okay. Looks very nice.
Thank you. And engine have not done anything.
Okay.
So I have retained the same engine. I have tuned only carburetor and jetting. I have been changed for that.
Okay.
For that support, I have made BMC filter.
Okay, you have put BNC.
Yeah, BNC filter. First, it was a uni filter, where I thought the performance was not that good. So one of my friends suggested to go with a BMC air filters. So this is a BMC air filter which will be used for 600cc.
Okay.
But-
600.
Yeah. So now I have put it for my 220cc, and I've slightly modified some A-Tech mixture. As you can see here, this is a waste oil mixture. So this what I have done, I have connected to my carburetor,
Okay.
so that the whatever the excess air or excess oil, it flows to the carburetor. Again, it mixes and come back to the engine,
Okay.
so that I can get more power also.
Okay. Very nice.
And moreover,
What about the tank? You have changed
yeah,
the tank also.
Tank I have completely changed. You can guess what is the capacity of the tank.
25 liters.
Yes, it's 25 to 30 liters.
25 to 30
30
liters.
liters.
Oh my God. So that मतलब आप कहीं भी
आराम से
लंबा
आके-
जा
yes,
सकते
yes,
हैं.
आराम से.
लंबा जा सकते हैं.
Basically, this is for keeping in mind for traveling the long distance to minimize the pit stops.
Okay. Looks
And-
big. आप देख सकते हैं. So you have changed the odometer.
Yes,
also?
odometer also I have changed, and this odometer is you can see it in Honda
Okay.
650cc.
Okay.
So that I have done, and I'm working on my gear shifting indicator also. Already I have installed the gear shifting indicators,
Okay.
but due to some electronic issues, I'm unable to do it. So it is still in process.
Okay.
So, and you can see
So there is a single seater बना के
yes,
रखा है.
yes, yes, single seat only, and I have the additional plug and play seat, say where I can put my pillion also.
Okay. Pillion बोले तो.
Yes, obviously my girlfriend.
So normally आप single ही चलाना पसंद करते हैं, correct? Okay.
And moreover, you can see here, this is the mono suspension, where this suspension you can see in Ninja,
Oh.
but not the new one. It is a old Ninja, where the antique piece. From there, I have bought this suspension.
Okay.
Nitrox.
What is this?
Rescinded.
Like what?
Actually,
Why?
it is a rescinded means it came back with a big power.
Okay.
It was like a small boy.
Okay.
So when you grow up, they'll say, okay, he's grown up boy. So like that, it is a version 3. So 2.0 is like 220. So now it is 3, and it is a symbol of next version of Avenger.
So this is ये आपका club का ये
And
logo
this
है
is my club logo. It's like I'm a part of the club,
Okay.
Bajaj Avenger Club, Bangalore chapter. And this is a basic 2 normal indicators, and the strip rate of.
तो इसमें indicators भी है, brake lights भी है ना?
हाँ, दोनों भी है.
दोनों ही.
So and again it is not visible much while riding. So I have put additional indicators. It will be a very clear thing for the back followers.
So the complete set is सब कुछ after market है ना?
Almost everything is aftermarket. Engine and chassis is from Bajaj.
बस उतना ही.
बस उतना ही.
ये
And
exhaust के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
yes, exhaust I have imported from USA.
Okay.
It is a Cobra masterpiece. As you can see the name.
Yes. So how much have you spent on the exhaust?
Exhaust it cost me around 52k.
52.
Yes.
My God. So power का कुछ difference?
Yes, of course.
होना तो
Power,
चाहिए.
it is a free flow exhaust, so that the BHP is also increased, and you can go. I have driven up to 140, 150 kilometer
Top speed.
Yeah, top
Oh
speed.
my God.
So now I have been reduced. Why? Because yes, of course, for mileage. So I have reduced the speed and I have reduced the torque also.
So how much mileage do you?
Now I'm getting 30.
30.
In city.
So 30 is good only.
30 is good,
considering
but
the tires.
yes, 30 is good for this capacity.
So इस rear tires के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Rear tires, this is basically for R1.
R1.
R1 tire I imported from Malaysia.
Oh my God.
You can see, I think you can see the dimension here. It's here.
Okay.
180, 155,
Oh my God.
ZR 17.
देख सकते हैं श्रीनिवास ने R1 के टायर्स लगा के रखे हैं एवेंजर में 180 माय गॉड मतलब पावर का कुछ तो डिफरेंस हुआ होगा सिंस यू हैव पुट 180 राइट
हाँ, power का difference हुआ, and I have modified my swinger arm also because
Okay, swing arm
to
भी change
take this load,
ओके
so only I have modified the swinger arm also. Basically, you can see I have taken two parts.
ओके
So we have melded and made this heavy. It is like a compartment where my load is completely coming.
ओके सो alloys is also aftermarket
Yeah.
एनीथिंग एल्स या कुछ हमने छोड़ दिया है या
नहीं, that's it. Everything
That's
is
it?
covered. Yeah. If you have any questions, yes, you can.
भाई का नंबर और इंस्टाग्राम आईडी मैं दे दूंगा एंड व्यूअर्स मैं बताना चाहूँगा दिस बाइक इज़ ऑन सेल सो आपको अगर ये बाइक पसंद आया है सो यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट श्रीनिवास भाई श्रीनिवास भाई व्हाई आर यू सेलिंग दिस बाइक टेल द व्यूअर्स
It's like so I can start with some other more bike modifications also. And
So Srinivas, what exactly is this?
this is the name of my bike. I've kept Odin.
Odin.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Odin, I think everyone knows Odin is the ultimate power
Ultimate
in the
power,
galaxy.
correct.
So I hope my bike is also ultimate. So I have kept this. So based on this, I have chosen the name
Okay.
Odin.
So Srinivas bhai, tell me something about this sticker. What exactly is this?
Actually, this is my logo,
Okay.
and you can see the same tattoo on my arm also.
आपके हाथ में भी है?
हाँ, this is
आप
the-
दिखा सकते हैं?
Definitely.
This is something new. वाह. अरे वाह. So दोनों सेम है? आप
Same.
बोल रहे हैं?
Yes. You
बस
can
तो आप
have
देख
a look.
सकते हैं कि ये और ये कंप्लीट. सो व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस हो तो आप श्रीनिवास भाई को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. उनका नंबर और इंस्टा आईडी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. सो श्रीनिवास भाई, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शोइंग अस योर बाइक एंड आई विश यू ऑल द लक. और आपका जो नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट है, नेक्स्ट बाइक, प्लीज शो मी एंड शो आवर व्यूअर्स. सो टिल देन गाइस, सी यू, बाय बाय एंड कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज. बाय.
Bye.